All right, here's my 46 Chevy pickup truck. Ratrod Patina shop truck. And I gotta tell you, this has been one of my favorite trucks to cruise around in. Sitting on an S10 frame, power steering, power brakes, 350 motor, 350 automatic transmission, posi rear end. Such a blast to drive. Got the fuel tank in the back, wood floor. And this is, I consider a Ratrod. There's no weather stripping, nothing replaced as far as seals. Does have all new glass in it. Windows do roll up and down. You have to help them a little bit. It does have the push out windshield. Does need some shoring up there on the weld in the middle there. And I did put a nice crack in the new glass, messing with it. The mechanism is missing to crank it out, but it does need a little bit of fabrication, little welding, and maybe I was going to just put a wrench, use a wrench to prop it open when it's parked. But patina for days. All the headlights, brights, turn signals, brake lights all work. It's got heat in it, and it is a drafty son of a gun. So the heat box is nice to have in there. So all wiring's done real nice. Got an aluminum radiator, electric fan, electric fuel pump. Truck is just such a blast. Fires up, cruises down the road real nice. It's been like a 50, 60 mile an hour cruiser. I mean, it'll go fast. I've had it on the highway, but it's so drafty, you get a lot of wind noise on it driving it. Interior's nice, got a nice bench seat redone, nice door panels. Yeah, we got our tri-gauges, tack, shifter, heat, electric fan control. Pretty comfortable. Let's see if we can just fire it up here. Turn that fuel pump on. A little bit of a gear drive under it. Motor sounds good, no knocks or anything. Runs good. Haven't seen any major leaks on it or anything. Pretty dry underneath. Because you can hear that little bit of a gear drive on it. This sounds cool. It's such a nice truck, such a cool truck. It's got rust, it's got dings, it's got dents, and it looks so cool. There you have it. Any questions, let me know.